Transportation in animals and plants. The circulatory system is responsible for the transport of oxygen, nutrients, and waste products throughout the body of animals. The circulatory system consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body through blood vessels. Blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells carry oxygen, while white blood cells fights infections and platelets help in blood clotting. The circulatory system helps to maintain the proper functioning of organs and tissues in animals. Excretion is the process of removing waste products from the body of animals. Animals have various organs that perform the excretory function, such as the lungs, kidneys, liver, and skin. The lungs remove carbon dioxide from the body of animals. The kidneys filter out waste products from the blood and produce urine. The liver breaks down toxins and converts them into less harmful substances. The skin removes excess salt and water through sweat. Plants use a specialized system of tubes called xylem and phloem to transport water, minerals, and nutrients. The xylem carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves of the plants. The phloem transports sugars from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Transpiration is the loss of water through the stomata of plants. Transpiration creates a pull that helps to move water and minerals up the xylem of plants. The transport of substances in plants is vital for their growth, development, and survival. Blood circulation in human beings is similar to that in animals. Blood circulation in human beings is essential for the proper functioning of the body. Blood vessels are of three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart. Veins carry oxygen-poor blood towards the heart. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels that connect arteries and veins. The lymphatic system is responsible for the removal of excess fluids and waste products from the body. The lymphatic system includes lymph nodes and lymphatic vessels. Blood pressure is the force exerted by blood on the walls of the blood vessels. Hypertension is a condition in which blood pressure is consistently high. A heart attack occurs when the blood supply to a part of the heart is blocked. Stroke occurs when the blood supply to the brain is interrupted. Plants also respire like animals. Respiration in plants occur through tiny openings called stomata. During respiration, plants take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Oxygen is essential for the process of respiration in both plants and animals. The transportation of substances in animals and plants is essential for their survival. The circulatory system is responsible for the transportation of nutrients, oxygen, and other substances in animals. Blood is a fluid connective tissue that carries oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. The lymphatic system is responsible for the removal of excess fluids and waste products from the body of animals. Plants use a specialized system of tubes called xylem and phloem to transport water, minerals, and nutrients. Transpiration is the process by which water is lost from the leaves of plants through stomata. The transport of substances in animals and plants is a complex process. Activity. Question. Experimentally prove that stem conducts water upwards, or how can you prove that conduction of water occurs through xylem? Aim. To prove that xylem conducts water upwards through the stem. Apparatus. A glass tumbler, water, red ink, a balsam twig. Procedure. A glass tumbler is taken and filled with water up to 1/3 of it. Few drops of red ink is added to the water. A balsam stem is taken. Its base is cut and the twig is placed in the colored water. The plant twig is placed like that for a day and observed the next day. Observation. The stem and the leaves appear red. Inference. The red colored water is transported to the leaves through the stem and changed the color of the leaves and stem. The stem is cut across and inside the stem appears red, indicating that the stem conducts water along with red color. Conclusion. This experiment proves that water and mineral salts are transported through the stem.